A thoughtful speech.
The Eddies itself is a symbol of excellence in the entertainment community. To encapsulate such prestige, it can only result into a work of art.
Here is the evolution of the Eddies Trophy from then until now.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome to the stage the creator of this year's Eddies Trophy, our very own, Mr. Leandro Valdemor.
Trophy creator, Mr. Leandro Valdemor.
Thank you, sir. Now, before we continue, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Kimpi De Leon and Romnick Sarmienta, and thank you, Chan Robles and company, the Eddies official editor.
At eto na, to officially begin the night, here is OPM icon Miss Imelda Papin together with Jerry Olea of TEP to present the first set of awards.
I am excited for the future and the projects that lie ahead. Let's continue to tell our stories, celebrate our culture, and inspire the world with the beauty and richness of Philippine cinema. Thank you once again, Speed, for this incredible honor. I am truly grateful and inspired to do more, be more, and give back to the industry that has opened my eyes to its immense power to unite all of us so that we can be proud of who we are. Mabuhay ang Eddies, mabuhay ang Speed.
Cinema is how it blurs the lines between fantasy. Blurs the lines between fantasy and reality.
It is indeed an honor to present the nominees for Best Supporting Actress. Sa ating istorya, mahalaga sa atin ang mga taong sumusuporta. Sila ang ating mga kaibigan, kasintahan, mega partner o sidekick at sige na nga, kung minsan kasama na rin ang mga kontrabida.
Sa tunay na buhay man o sa pelikula, mahalaga ang supporting roles para maging mas makubuluhan ang ating mga kwento. Ang kontribusyon nila sa paghubog ng karakter ng bida ay may natatanging galing at husay na ating bibigyang kilala ngayong gabi.
And here are the nominees for Best Supporting Actor.
Best Supporting Actor, Enchong D. Gombuza.
Silencio, Padre Señor.
Sandali ninyo ako pinakikinggan! Sandali!
Kimpi De Leon. Here comes the groove.
Asawa, okay ka lang, te? Ano chubby-chubby ko? Muay Thai. Interesting. Winner!
Nanding Joseph. Oras de Peligro.
Himala kung meron man nun, nililikha yun ng mga nananalangin ng pinsa. Para yung himala, yung katarungan, magkatotoo.
Roderick Paulate. In his mother's eyes.
Tanong. Nung umalis ka ba, nagtanong ako kung saan ka pupunta? Nung dumating ka, nagtanong ako bakit ka dumating?
Hindi yun ang tamang lugar!
Tiniwan mo akong taga-Magalada. Anak mo!
And JC Santos. Malyari.
Apo lang ako ng trabahador nyo. Hinagawa ko kay Didi, kay Manang Mes, yung mga paisa-isa kong napatay sa seminary.
Hindi mo kami mapipigilan.
Pinahal ko bilang kapatid. Ang hinanda ko bilang tagapagligtas.
And the Eddie's choice is...
Nung unang beses ko po napanood yung Gomburza, sabi ko, my God, ang galing ni Cedric, ang galing ni Dante Rivero, ang galing ni Elijah, ang galing ni Piolo Pascual. Tapos sabi ko, lumabas yung character ko nung namatay si Piolo Pascual. Tapos sabi ko, bakit ganun? Parang feeling ko, hindi enough yung ginawa kong performance to be noticed and to be recognized. Pero ngayon po, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors kasi po, ni-remind nyo sa akin na hindi po haba ng performance sa isang proyekto ang tinitingnan ninyo, but rather how much impact and how much you make your audience feel. So I really appreciate this award, and I'm shaking. I will never forget this night. To our producers, I'd like to thank Jesuits Communication, CMB Films, Media Quest Ventures, and Signal, kasi po tumataya kayo sa paggawa ng kalidad na pelikula kahit sa panahon na ito na napakahirap po kumita ng pelikula ngayon. Third, sa lahat po ng nakasama ko na bumubuo po ng Gomburza, thank you very much for allowing me to work with you, for allowing us to show something that will make us proud as Filipino people. And I share this award to all of you. And last, I'd like to dedicate this sa lahat po ng tao na naghahantay ng hustisya sa bansa natin. Ang kwento po ng Gumburza ay isang representasyon ng mga tao na naghahantay ng hustisya na sana makamit nila. Kaya po, maraming salamat. This night will never be forgotten. Thank you very much, Edis.
Congratulations again to our Best Supporting Actor, Enchong D. And now, to present the award for the Best Supporting Actress, please welcome the very talented Mr. Mon Confiado and our Joe Quirino Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Miss Corina Sanchez.